What's up, family? Welcome back to another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. So we back in with another edition of hashtag TBT. Notice not Throwback Thursday, even though it is Thursday, but hashtag TBT on this channel is Throwback Tech. So what we got, picked this up for a little under 20 bucks, and it's called the SUP Game Box. 401. It's pretty much 400 games from the Super Nintendo era for the old heads out there. If you remember the Super Nintendo, 400 games in this little one console. Picked it up, looked interesting. I was like, alright, bet. Let me put it on the hashtag TBT. So hashtag Throwback Tech. We got the SUP Game Box 401. Let's check it out. Let me zoom in a little bit so we can get the full effect. Alright, so that's it. The SUP Game Box. Boom. So, let's see if there's anything on here. So we got, see if y'all can see that. Digital game system, 3.0 inch super wide LCD. The console is slim, portable, and trendy. Digital multi-platform device, can play on the TV. The backlit function of the screen ensures players can play everywhere. With powerful rechargeable battery pack, includes an AC adapter and a lithium-ion rechargeable battery. 6 hours of continuous gameplay. Made in good old-fashioned China. So we're gonna see what's up with this. I got the blue one. I guess they come in other colors: yellow, white, and black. All right, so let's open it up. Under 20 bucks. Let's see what's going on here. So you get in a box, instructions, that's my receipt actually, and this is it right here, the SUP Game Box. You got some instructions, the user manual. Actually, let's read through that real quick. User manual, retro FC. 1, 2, 3, boom, we read it, done. The 3.5 millimeter jack to audio, but this is actually comes in handy if you want to hook like a iPod or something. That's on a side note, but if you want to hook like an iPod up to your your stereo unit, that's what I would use this for. I'm not gonna hook this up to my TV. This is like gonna be a portable thing. So, and that's the charger to charge it up. But yeah, side note, you know what I'm saying? You got your money's worth right there. Hook your iPod up to your stereo that has the audio video connectors in the back. Boom, you ready to go. Done. Alright, already got my money's worth. I'm good already. So that's the SUP Game Box. Let's turn it on. Let's see what happens. Oh, before we do that, let's just go around it real quick. You got your A button, your Y button, X button, and B button. That button right there, it says in the user manual, which you just read, it's the restart button. You press that to go back to the main menu. Directional key, select and start. Alright, let's turn it on. Boom, turns right on. So they ask you, hold on, let me clean the screen real quick. Alright, that's the best I'm gonna get it. Hope y'all can see that. Chinese and English. Press select or start. So we can go down to English. Got the volume key. The volume wheel is right here on the side. Let's see how loud this thing is. Turn it up to ignorant levels. See what's going on. Alright, so let me try to zoom in on this. Get you a better. Let's see. So okay, boom. So we can see what games we got real quick. Let's go straight down the line. Super Mario, Dr. Mario, Mario Brothers, Turtles, Contra. That's a good one. We're gonna rock that. Let's go Contra Force, Contra 7. Let's see what else good titles we got here. Ninja Gaiden, Mortal Kombat, RoboCop. Let's see if I find anything else I know here. Bomb Sweeper, that's a good one. Burger Time, another good one. Defender, that's a good one. Dig Dug, Donkey Kong 1, 2, and 3, Donkey Kong Jr., Excitebike. What else we got here? 400 games, y'all. 400 games. And we only on 80. Pinball, Popeye. What else we got? What else? I saw that 1942 on that last screen. That's a good one. Let me just find something else. We'll see if we can see if we find another known one. I don't really see nothing else that I know here. Oh, Tetris 2. I'm sure they got Tetris 1 somewhere hidden in here. Chinese chess. Track and field. Friday the 13th. It's a good one. That's from the Nintendo era, I should say. What else we got? I don't see Metroid. That was the one that I would want on here. I don't see a Castlevania. It is what it is. We on 200 right now, y'all. 200. Y'all might be seeing something that y'all like in there, but I'm just trying to scroll through to see the ones that I'm trying to get hype about right now. But it is what it is. Spider-Man. Still going. It's mad games. You just gotta see how they look. They give it Mario 14. I don't know what that is, but Mario 3, Turtles, Contra, and it looked like it started all over again. Oh, there we go. Bubble Bobble. That one was dope. Oh, look at that too. Double Dragon 2 and 3. Alright, let's get into this, man. Let's rock this. So you press that button in the middle, take you back, Chinese and English if you want to go back. And the screen is not scratched, that's just smudges from my hand. So for you people that's really asking. But that y'all wondering, I should say. Alright, let's get into this, man. I'm gonna rock let me see what I want to play first. Trying to get a good screen shot. Alright. Trying to get a good game so we can get some good play on this real quick. Alright, let's try Donkey Kong. Why not? Let's see what happens, man. Not bad. I see this more for like taking if you ain't got your Switch with you, or if you at work just doing whatever, you know what I'm saying? Pass the time real quick. Let me go back, see what else we got here. So start, to do it, you gotta go to your game and press start. Let's see what else we got. Oh, let me do that Contra. But y'all get the gist of it. Look at that. Contra. Contra 1. They got all the Contras here. Let's just do Contra 1. Remember that screenplay right there? That's what the old has right there from the video game days in the game room. Look at that. Let's see how real it is. Oh, it's real. Oh, yeah, it killed me already. Trying to do this from behind the camera, but whatever. Y'all get the gist. Behind the camera is kind of weak, but it is what it is. So that's a sub box, 401 gaming system. So 20 bucks, you can't go wrong. Keep it in the car, keep it around, keep it in your pocket. Small enough to fit in your pocket. You know what I'm saying? You keep it around. Have it for the kids. Keep it in your car. Keep it in your glove box. You know, you get that little extra wire, so you're good to go with that. I'm already satisfied with that already, but you keep it in the car, put it in your pocket, rock it at work, whatever. You know what I'm saying? School. You know what I'm saying? Obviously when you ain't got no classes or whatever it is, and you do what you do. Under 20 bucks, that's the SUP 401 game box. Alright, on another note, t-shirt campaign still going on. Send your t-shirts, send your apparel to 800, wait, sorry, scratch that. Send it to 888-C, Suite 225, New York, New York, 10019. Send your t-shirts there, send your apparel there. I got some shirts coming this week. We got some new tech coming next week. I don't even know what it is yet, but we're going to have something. You know what I'm saying? You know, we've been rocking. Usually y'all get 2 videos a week on the Monday and the Thursday. You get the throwback tech. You get the, you know, the lifestyle products. You get the electronics. Everything here. You know, I'm working on some other stuff. Try to get to the channel. Liven it up a little bit. So, we working, man. You know what I'm saying? Everybody that's continuing to watch the channel, appreciate it. If you like the channel, do what you do. If you don't like the channel, sit back and be entertained. It is what it is. 3 things after every video which I say, and that's my motto which I live by. Trust God, love family, and stay focused, y'all. Until the next time, stay focused.